Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my earrings collections which are under 500 rupees, and there are three sections in it. So one is like our basic casual wear or maybe like a western wear earring. The second section is dedicated only to Indian wear or ethnic wear, and the third one is the oxidized section. So if you want to know how my earrings sections are and what earrings I own, so please continue watching. So guys, these are the casual or western wear earrings. So you can easily get this at any flea market or on any online website. All these earrings that I've shown in the video are under 500 rupees. So you can make a very great collection with all the earrings. So since I've shown like total 15 earrings, 5 of each, these one are the casual western wear earrings. So make sure that you have all kinds of western wear earrings that you can pair up on any type of your clothes. Second section is the ethnic and Indian wear. So in my collection I usually have jhumkas and a few of the oxidized or gold kind of a jewelry. So I always opt for simple yet ethnic looking earrings. I'm not a very huge fan of neck pieces, but I personally love earrings a lot. So as you can see, I have jhumkas the most. So make sure you keep collecting colors that you don't have in your earring section. So these are all oxidized earrings. 5 of them are oxidized. So you can easily find this at any store like an earring store or flea markets or online. These days you have small business Instagram accounts. Even from them you can buy these oxidized earrings or oxidized jewelry at a very cheap price. So I have this small and big oxidized earrings. And oxidized earrings, they go on any piece of clothing. So this is like all year, all day wear. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media, so links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You right this time.